STEP supports PMI export and import. Product manufacturing information, PMI, is becoming more widely used and is often used in product design. But such annotations are often lost in the process of data exchange, and it's hard for engineers to understand product design intent. ZW3D 2024 can export PMI to a STEP file and read PMI in a STEP file. In the case of the camera, the PMI dimensions are already marked on the bottom cover. Click Export under the File menu and set the file type as STEP. In the dialog box, you can set whether to export the PMI dimensions. Select All mode to export STEP file. Click Import under the File menu to input the STEP file with PMI dimensions. You can set the PMI import mode in the dialog box according to your needs. Here we take the semantic PMI as an example. Click OK. After the file is imported, you can see that the PMI dimensions have been imported and displayed. ZW3D 2024 can also import and modify PMI of other mainstream software formats. To sum up, now STEP supports the import and export of PMI, so it's easier for engineers to understand product design intent.